Hello everyone, today I will show you how to nest clips in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. If you want to join multiple clips together in a non-destructive way, similar to nesting in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve offers a feature called Compound Clips. To do this, drag to select all the clips you want to nest in your timeline. Then right-click on one of the selected clips and choose New Compound Clip. Give your compound clip a name, then click Create. Now all your selected clips have been combined into a compound clip, which works the same way as a nested clip in Premiere Pro. If you ever need to view or edit your original clips, simply right-click the compound clip and select Open in Timeline. This will reveal all the individual clips inside. To return to your main timeline, just double-click on your timeline in the media pool. And that's it. You have successfully nested clips using compound clips in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.